Happy Friday, everyone. I am going to just be doing a little bit of journaling, if you will, in my 2026 planner. I did a whole video on this planner and how I used my planner from 2025, if you want to check that video out. But so a couple of reminders of things that I've done is, so I have this little placeholder right here, where this is where I put a list of things that I want to do, like videos I want to make, projects I want to do. And then I made this for Valentine's Day. I took a couple little hearts from Michael's and turned it into a little paper clip so I can keep track of the day. Here is today. But I want to go back a couple days. So I have some things that I want to put in my planner. I went shopping at Barrett Babes, and I'll show you what I bought. I have some pictures that I printed out. I have a sticker. I have some other little things that I want to do a better job of doing this as I go throughout the year, instead of doing it all kind of at once at the end of the year. So we'll see how that goes. I'm doing pretty good, but I want to trim these down real quick. So I used my Lean photo printer to print these. And what's great is this is a 4x6 photo paper, but you can do a collage. So the collage gives you a way to then have smaller photos, and I think the smaller photos work perfect in my planner. So kind of, there might be a couple more photos that I want to go back and print, but I think I got the majority of them, I believe. Okay, so we got those trimmed down. So we have, here is Valentine's Day. So we have, we had a baby shower for my niece, and that's kind of the main thing that I wanted to put in here. So I want to add these little photos. I guess we'll add them right here. Yeah, that'll be perfect. And then on Friday night, we had craft night with the grandkids. So we made a bunch of Valentines. And then I think I'll put this right here. Yeah, so we'll add those right there. And I'm just going to use my reptile glue. Ah! Yeah, today is the, oh wait, let's see. Yeah, that's right. I'm getting my days are kind of all a blur. Actually, I'll put that there. Perfect. So let me know what y'all have been up to. February, it kind of started off slow, but then it has definitely picked up. So my friend, her birthday was actually on the 9th, but we actually went out to lunch for her birthday on the 6th, and then we did a little shopping. It was very fun. There was 6 of us that could make it. So I wanted to put, we had, yeah, okay. So we had Becky and Pam and Michelle and Renee and Debbie and me. And we had lunch at the Goose. And then at Westport Village. It was a really fun day. And then on the 7th, the kiddos came over and played at our house. So we had a lot of fun. So this is the little bitty baby. Yep, I'll just kind of cram those in right there. I will just put those right there. And my husband has one of those drum kits. It's one where you wear headphones, so like the rest of the household doesn't hear the loud drums. You do hear the, you know, the drumsticks hitting the different drums in the kit and the cymbals, but it just sounds like, you know, banging or whatever. There's not loud music because they listen to that in their headphones. So, and then my daughter came too. I did not get a picture of my daughter, which is a bummer. And then there we go. So it's hard to get good pictures of them as they get older. So, and then I went shopping at a store called Barrett Babes. And the main reason I went there, I saw these on their Instagram page. And it's a shop. They have a lot of different like people that sell in her shop. And I've been toying with putting some of my journals there. But they had these cute little strawberry shortcake little buttons, and I just thought they were cute. I don't think they're vintage, but I thought they were cute. So they might be vintage, I don't know. And but I picked those up, so I was going to put those on one of my what do we call it now, analog bags, which is basically a craft bag. But I saw someone had these cute little postcards, art by Bad Dog Artwork / Mothman. And it was just they had a bunch of different ones that were like these digital collages. And I just thought it was very nostalgic for me, with these Care Bears and this little uploading symbol and the little video games and the old style camera and the My Little Pony. So I just picked up this little postcard, so I wanted to add this in. But I actually went on the 31st of January. So I think what I'm going to do is go back to here. And I think I'm going to add this here. And I'm just going to staple it in, kind of like a tuck spot. And then if there's some other stuff I want to add, I can add that. And of course I didn't get that straight, but that's okay. Cute. So we have a little tuck spot, and what I might just do is put that little Barrett Babes right in there for now. Okay, so that was January. Oh, you know what? Is that gonna work? I might put a staple right here, actually. Keep that from flapping. So let's go back to February. So on Wednesday, I did go by Dutch Brothers, and they're giving away stickers for free on Wednesdays. So I picked up a little sticker. They did have one left, And I thought that would be fun just to add in here. And then my granddaughter, she's going to start field hockey. So both of my daughters played field hockey. So I'm so excited, and that Mary is going to give it a try. And my daughter sent me this little picture. So I'm going to put that there. And then I also have my husband. So this is kind of getting full. So he's so sweet. He sends me flowers. So I think I might put this right here because that'll be right next to the 14th. And he actually sent it on the 13th, but so maybe we'll put that right there. Oh, and I have our Valentine cards downstairs. Let me go get those and I'll add them in here. Put that right there. So here's the card that he got me. And look, it has a little gem on it. And look, we didn't even plan it. And then I made him this card. And look, I have a little gem on it. Isn't that adorable? I used a little Tim Holtz person. And then here I cut out, this is that acetate from Michael's. And I just cut out a few of the hearts on there. And then I made a tag. And then I just wrote on the back of the tag. Yeah, I thought that was fun. So I'm going to put these in here. I'm thinking I have the envelope. And I think what I might do is add the envelope here. And then I can slide these down into the envelope. So I thought it would be fun to share this with you guys. And look at that cute little seal. I wonder if I could save that. Oh, perfect. I'll put this up here. Little Hallmark seal. This is a really nice envelope. Nice and sturdy. But I love the way he writes my name. He likes to do those bubble letters. But I hope this, if you're struggling to get started junk journaling and writing down like memories and stuff like this, I'm hoping this might spark some ideas for you as kind of an easy way to do it. And you could do this like with a plain composition notebook and just grab a composition notebook and do the same thing, or a planner, grab a Dollar Tree planner or whatever. So then I'm going to put those right in there. I should wait till that's dry, but I think that'll be okay. And then if I want to add any more little stickers and stuff like that, I can do that. But okay, so we got that. And you can see I'll write down like things I've done, or just some little journaling about what I did that day, my to-do list, things like that. I'm retired, so I'm pretty chill these days. Stuff I have to do. Yeah, I did bowl well. I bowled, I did a 114, a 128, and then I think a 121, which is good for me. Monday, I don't think I did much. Monday, it was aside from the shower, and then my husband and I, we got takeout from our local restaurant, and then we played board games at home. It was a really tough weekend and tough week. We lost a very dear friend. So I don't think I really did much on Monday. Oh, I think I made those, my wallpaper journal tags. I just kind of was just poured into my art. Yeah, and we got a new washer and dryer delivered on yesterday. Get ready to go out to lunch today. And, yeah, so I think that's it. But I hope that gives you some inspiration to do, if you struggle to get started journaling, this is a super quick and super easy way to get your memories down, get your what you did down, and I hope you find this inspiring. I guess thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.